coming back at you with even more VFD and or Nixie banter. So, our last little kit in our little plethora of box of goodies of awesomeness of VFDs. This particular box was full of VFDs, but just to put the icing on the cake, we got a Nixie. So this is a PV Electronics single Nixie for N18. So there is a N18 running up there, but it's got that pre-made board. I don't know where it come from, but they're commonly available on Amazon and eBay. It's pre-built. All you do is buy it, spend another $100 or so just for the N18 tube, plug it in, plug in the clock, and then set the time. So this one, it's an IN18 or N18 single Nixie, but it's the same board that I built for my Delabore Farney single Nixie. Now that board has two provisions for either A, an N18, or that big honkin' Delabore tube. So I got another one because I like preferably I like the little bit slower speed of that particular single Nixie. Because if you look at both of them side by side, you see that the smaller N19 is just going boop, 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 boop. It's fast. It's a nice clock, but you know, I like the little bit slower of that PV kit. So here is the IN18 that I had to purchase separately, and of course, as of this recording in 2023, these N18s. This one's a 1981. These things are over $100 now. Wow. Crazy. And of course, in this bag is the pins for it, which is very handy. So here's our PV Electronics single Nixie. This particular one is not gold plated like that one. So we got all the bits for the IN18, and of course the other board here, just like that one. It's IN18 or the Z560AM, aka Big Honkin' Farney tube. So it's got provision for both. So one kit does two tubes, depending on which one you want to buy. At this point, it's almost better off to get the Farney tube, because at least you get a 10-year warranty on the tube, where the N18, you don't get no warranty, and you're going to spend over $100 for one, and if it dies, you're pretty much SOL. So another beautiful kit we're going to be building. Of course, here's the main board for it. Still a virgin in its packaging. So the display board is not gold plated, but the guts of it is. So here's the beautiful gold plated board. Very easy to work on, very easy to solder, very easy to clean up. So all the bits and pieces, all through hole. So even a beginner can do it. Then you can have an awesome single Nixie clock. There's the backside. Beautiful. Beautiful board. Beautiful PCB. Nice and heavy. Awesome. And then all the bits and pieces, all the resistors, all the capacitors, all the transistors, all the buttons. This one uses buttons to set the time, and or if you got the you have to purchase these separately, these little Wi-Fi boards. Of course, now they look different. They're a double stacked little bugger to keep the time and stuff like that. So that's all in here. And of course, it does have a note. So pay attention to which tube you're putting in and put the appropriate resistor in, depending on your and of course the download instructions are on the PV site, so very easy to follow for my IN18 or N18 tube. Awesome. So we'll bag all this up, which will means this is a wrap for this particular video for general VFD and or Nixie talk. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.